Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to customize your Shopify store for a better user experience. First, I'd recommend creating a store that's easy to scroll through, aesthetically looks pleasing, and that there's small animations. For example, here if I switch from the home to catalog, you can see there's a small animation just to give it that more modern look, and it makes it more aesthetically pleasing for anyone who wants to browse my website. Another thing is you need to make sure that you optimize your store. This is so load times are quicker. Good ways for you to optimize your store is for you to, for example, delete any apps that you're not using with Shopify. If you have unused apps, make sure to delete them from your site. This way, then your website doesn't need to load as many things at once, making the load times quicker. Also, I'd recommend for any photos that you're using to show off your products, make sure that they are compressed. If they are compressed images, then it makes it easier for the site to load as it doesn't need to load as much data. One last thing that is overlooked a lot is the fonts used in your website. Fonts like I'm using here make it very clear and it looks aesthetically pleasing. I definitely recommend using fonts that are easy to read and that look nice in order for anyone using your site to have a better experience overall when looking for the product they want to buy. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.